Jim Rohn once told, reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. What if I told you that in just 3 weeks, you could transform the way you lead? My name is Akash and I've been with IT industry for last 25 years. I've been super busy in my leadership role in the last few years, but still found time to pursue my true passion, reading and promoting habit of reading. I'm passionate about leadership books and helping others to develop their reading habits because I truly believe leading nation is a reading nation. So the question is, are you ready to unlock your full leadership potential in just 21 days? By popular demand, I have created a reflective leadership program to help individuals like you who are become more effective, mindful and confident leaders. Through this program, you learn how to improve your decision-making skills, increase emotional intelligence, and build better relationships with your teams. This will help you to become a more effective leaders, both professionally and personally. So are you committed to transform your leadership style? What are you waiting for? Click the link below and join our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to growth. Let's lead with purpose, and I'll see you at the side.